Shout out to Caressing Me Night for sending me the story. Now, here are two people that I have not talked about in a while. Now, I really have not done a solid commentary involving Stormy Daniels per se, but I have done a couple on Michael Avenatti. And when I saw the title of this article before even getting into the story, I said, I know exactly why he's doing what he's about to do. So the story is that Michael Avenatti is planning to take Stormy Daniels to court to sue her for millions of dollars in legal back pay. And the very first thing that popped up in my head is, Michael Avenatti, the reason you're doing this is because your ass was caught in the hot seat. Like, you are in hot water right now with all the stuff and the scandals you've been involved in have come to the surface, and you taking money from other people, basically being a thief. And now you are in need of money. So now you're taking your former client to court in order to get money. I'm telling you, if all this stuff happened with Michael Avenatti went the way that he wanted it to, he probably would not be taking Stormy Daniels to court. It's because he got exposed for being a low down, dirty, filthy, rotten ass thief. That's pretty much what it boils down to. And now he's probably strapped for cash because his reputation has been tarnished, mainly by his own doing, and he needs the funds. Now I'm going to go ahead and read the article coming from the Daily Beast. Embattled lawyer Michael Avenatti is taking legal action against his ex-client Stormy Daniels for $2 million in legal fees from their infamous hush agreement lawsuit against 45. Avenatti, who currently faces federal criminal charges set for trial next month, filed an attorney's lien on Thursday. It alleges that despite repeated demands that Ms. Daniels fulfill her contractual obligations and pay for the millions in legal fees and costs she has enjoyed for her benefit over the last approximate 19 months, including in this case, she has refused. Avenatti, age 48, claims the porn star refuses to pay up because she is a celebrity and therefore entitled to free legal services and costs, and to manufacture and fabricate facts designed to impugn the reputation of her counsel and falsely accuse him of multitude of acts. Well, Michael Avenatti, didn't you do some of those same things to your other clients? Promises of different things that never went through, and stealing money from major corporations such as, what was it? Was it Adidas or was it Nike? I think it was Nike. And you thought that they weren't going to find out, or you messing around or messing up the finances for NBA players and whatnot. And now I forgot he is, like this article states, he is going to trial next month, and good for him. I will be following that, because if all things go the way that I want them to with him, he will be getting the violins again. Because if you remember earlier in the year when all this stuff came out about him, I gave him the violins then. Because this is the same guy that out of the blue, out of nowhere, just started going after R. Kelly. And we was like, Michael Avenatti, why did you do that? And then by him doing that, all of his shit got exposed. So it was like, it was a full circle thing. You tried to come for somebody else and your karma came right back and bit you in the proverbial ass, you dumb prick. You should have just kept your mouth shut and we probably wouldn't have known about this stuff. But you got greedy. He got greedy and wanted to go after, I guess you could say, the prize bull. But the law does not work that way, Ms. Daniel wishes, reading the court filing filed in the United States District Court in the Southern District of Ohio. I look forward to the facts and the truth about what really happened coming to light, Avenatti told the Daily Beast when reached for comment. His lawyer, Tom Warren, added Mr. Avenatti did an enormous amount of high-quality legal work for Ms. Daniels. Under intense pressure and scrutiny, he made significant personal sacrifices for her benefit. He deserves to be paid by her, not criticized. Daniels and her lawyer did not respond to the Daily Beast request for comment. Let's see here. I'm trying to skip away, like it's just giving you some backstory about them. And I'm just going to stop it right there, because everything is just basically backtracking their working history together leading up to them splitting. And I don't really care about all of that. It's just the fact that I love when I see this infighting going on. But Michael Avenatti, that pasta slurping motherfucker, definitely needs to get his just due. And I know why he's doing this. because he's going to have to try to pay all them legal fees when he go to court. That's what it's all about. He going to have to pay them legal fees when his ass gets taken to that courtroom next month. And now he's not going to be the lawyer. He's going to have to be the one that needs the representation to try to explain all of the stuff that he's been caught up in, all the scandals he's been connected to. Mainly him. It's almost like I'm not going to say he was a sole proprietor in all of the stuff that he did, but he definitely was the ringleader in that 3-ring circus. That's without a doubt. So good luck, Michael Avenatti. Okay, I'm lying. I wish you nothing but the worst. Y'all let me know what you think about this down in the comments. I'll talk to you in the next one.